Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the gameplay of tournament mode. The tournament is on. Right now click the tournament at the bottom of your screen. There are two options here. So let's play the Battle Royale tournament. This is my account, my avatar. So the tournament itself, there are the rewards detail. So you have to play more. The more you play, the more reward that you can get. As you can see, this is the reward details page. There are some there are milestone rewards and also rank rewards. So you have to play more to get all of this. So, and also there's task. This is a weekly task. For example, reach gold placement in 5 tournament matches. So you have to win for 5 tournament matches to get this reward. As you can see, man over a weapon. This is a weapon rewards. And also you can invite your friend here to play together with you. And also this is some information. As you can see, I'm playing in season 7 tournament in Indonesia. So let's get start the tournament. So welcome in tournament mode. As you can see, you are playing with the other. It means you are a team in this tournament mode. So there are 4 person or 4 players for each team. So let's get jump to the game. So welcome to tournament. As you can see, there are 40 players. It means there are 10 teams that battle in this tournament. And as you can see, the difference between ranking battle royale, the map is quite small in this tournament. So you have to killing fast to win this tournament match. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to click thanks button below, and also comment, like and subscribe this channel. Enjoy the game.